I just wanted to fill everyone in. Last week, it was supposed to be where Matt went for 2 job interviews in Victoria. He only went for 1, considering the first interview he got the job. He starts as a carpenter on the 20th of this month. He's already quit Walmart. He's so happy. He works at Walmart until the 16th. And then he starts on the 20th in Vic. And we will be moving to Victoria sometime this year. Don't know when. We haven't exactly got everything in order yet. But we will be moving. So I just thought I would fill everyone in, and we'll probably film our journey moving. Because it's going to be hell moving from Duncan to Vic. And his dad's a landlord at a building in there, so he'll be giving us a building if he's got any available, and if so, I will be bringing both my cats. They won't be living with my dad anymore. I'll be taking them back. One's my cat, one's Stephanie's. So yeah, everything's falling into place. We'll be starting up fertility again soon. I will not be vlogging it this time, because Matt was getting bugged last time at Walmart and everything about if I was, did it work, blah blah blah. So we decided this time we're going to keep it on low key, and then if I'm pregnant around like anywhere between 4 to 6 months, that's when we'll start telling people if it worked. So yeah, I just wanted to make this little update. We are going to play balloon.
Yes. You stay right there.
You want me to stay right here, so you want me to switch positions?
Yes.
Okay, just give me a second. Let's see if I can even get this to stand properly. That's as best as I can do.
Go. You have to do it with me too.
But you said go, so I'm going.
Let me try it.
Go. Remember, don't drop it.
That's easy for me. Without trying.
You're good. Oh, and down it goes.
Your turn. Try to hit it with a screen.
I just did. It's hard to do it with one hand. Oh, I saved it right there.
Now pass it. Wow. Well, it's your turn really at camp.
Went over your head.
That didn't count. Wow. It's your turn really at camp.
Oh, and it's down there.
Just the same. Let's look at something else to play.
I do it.
Dizzy, dizzy.
I didn't. I'm an angel. Oh, now I'm gonna work out. Well, it's really starting to come down up there. So, well, it didn't even take more than, I think, like an hour between Nanaimo and here. Well, an hour ago it started snowing in Nanaimo. So, yeah, we have snow. Now, if that keeps up, the kids won't have school and then they'll be happy.